Come northwest.
Bomb squad, bomb squad, bomb squad, bomb squad.
Southwest, sun bomb squad. Come northwest. Northwest. On the count. West side, 5. West side, 4, 3, 2, 1. On my cam. Pick up. No, come back east. Come back east. Establish ito, mamamatay na yung northeast. Mamamatay na yung sa northeast.
Careful na choke guys, careful na choke.
Come east. Spread east. He's my front, boys. Don't let us die. Burn nyo yan nasa northeast. Judy sa amin. Spread north. Establish to. Southwest now, 5 seconds, southwest. Stop them, west side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West now. Delete this west. Come west. Come southwest. Push ball. Come northeast. Push ball. Yo, I need one guy. I need two guys. Party 2 on the outpost. Party 2. Outpost. Come sana. I need 2 guys from party 2, man. Assign na kayo dyan, man. 2 guys from party 2. West side. Southwest now. Follow me. On the count. Stop chasing one guy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West now. Damage west. Now come northeast. Don't let them in. Come northeast. Come northwest. Hug the wall northwest. Defensive. Go northwest. Come northwest. We're looking southeast now. We're looking west now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On west. Pick up on west. Damage it west. That's it. Come now. Spread.
Stabilize mo nga guys, stabilize.
Yeah, stabilize this. Spread. Defensive. They fuck up. Come inside. Heal my front. Southwest now. Southwest side now. 5, 4, 3, 2, southeast, 1. On my club, southeast. Pick them southeast. Delete this. Push out east. Boys, while you camping north, push out east. Push on southeast. Defense front. Stop them. Heal my front. Heal fast. Heal my front. West side daddy. On the count. West side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On west now. Pick up west. That's it. Come southeast. Come back southeast. Stabilize. Enemy looking. Defensive ready. North now. 10 seconds. North 10 seconds. Hold. Ball northwest. West side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West now. Heal my front. Damage on this. Burn them now. Look, west side. Burn pa sila. West side pa. West.
You're running.
They're running. Careful. Southeast now. On the
Yo, there's spots on your east side.
4, 3, 2, 1. On the crown. Delete. Patay na yun. Loot.
Catch ito yung mga nahuli.
That's my game.
GG bro, GG.
Nice one.
Yung OP.
Bago, overweight. Yung OP. Nakuha OP na yung OP na bro.
Gago, naka-zone in pa. Patay ba yan?
Ayan. Ayun, defensive, grabe ka.
Nakatakbo yung bomb squad nila, Eggs. Sayang. Uguchi.
Ayun yung yung bridal bomb nila. Sayang.
Ito pa. Dito pa.
Sala.
Saan?
Baka yung battle mount to.
Tago.
Kaji ka.
Okay na.
Nakatakbo yung ano nila.
Sayang yung sayang.
Can we loot now?
Uy, dismount ka pa, boy.
Puno ata itong circus. Ang ina mo nag-loot.
What's out ka?
Tayo nyo yun. Egi.
Nakatakbo yung chariot nila, men. Sayang.
Saka yung bomb squad. Kamo, di ko na makita kung saan. Yung binabantayan ko. Binano. Southeast blob ba? Southeast blob. Ano yan?
Yeah, out of.
Southeast blob.
What's
Blob. Southeast. Southeast.
Scout,
Southeast.
scout.
아, 메스. 거.
Enemy?
메블이야.
Bak muna, bak.
Huwag muna tayo. Cuties, blob ah. Careful.
Cuties. Gonna fight them.
Level 14, level 14.
Level 14 di.
Babak. Umalis.
Tumatak mo na.
They're running.
Na-open na yung
Ako muna.
OG behind us ha. Pawit ako. OG daw, zoning, Scotland.
Zone. Bro, careful. OG's zoning ah. They might hit you.
Sobrang low.
Outlaw tayo.
Give it to those na tatlo. Give it to those na tatlo.
Zone,
Pwede magpunta sa Terry yung outlaw.
Wait lang, sticks ang nga ba? Sticks, trade mo ko. Sticks.
Exam mo na yan.
Doon na nga lang. Set mo. Si Taylor.
Trade ano ni Flash guys.
Manis na, get out there. Go to Terry.
Wala na, pumasok
Wala
na.
naman. Hindi naman to mga ano to.
Di men, duman lang sila.
Oh, dumaan lang to mga to.
Si Taylor tayo.
Walang kumalaban sa kanila sa Ravin.
Pala ko na.
Double OC ako dun.
Yeah.
Kakaupo yung lag. Matay ako dahil lang sa lag.
Maldito asking fight.
Ay, Maldito. Okay. I think we give him Maldito.
Or China. Who do you wanna fight?
Friends, okay?
Dito lang. Dito, babawi tayo dun.
I think China or Maldito boss, okay. Just depends on you. Okay.
We can fight China again.
Yeah, they're full pro. I think we could have fight China. But I think Maldito is a good pick.
Maldito ni level 10.
Yeah, I think. It's okay.
Oh,
Inside
they
base.
wanna fight. Maldito. Castle Death? Fuck. They wanna do Castle Death?
Fight Castle?
Tayo
They
din.
wanna do Castle Death.
Tayo
Or
din.
we go defend or what?
They wanna go defend. But I'm not sure they might run if we cap the castle.
Yeah, I don't think they will fight if we go defend.
Yeah.
So if how about we go Congo?
Ay,
Oh,
shit.
Korea. I see the Korea. I see it. Even the shot ano?
Lahat pa tayo nagdala, pati kalaban, di ba?
Big walking big